Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Albums at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're done, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of, and then to pick multiple right away, use this icon at the top left corner. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, hit this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. So when I do that, I need to confirm my choice in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!